life always finds a way to make you feel small. And either you're in the middle of the ocean or in the middle of the jungle, Costa Rica has always been the place when it comes to trying new things. What we didn't know is that only 2 words can be enough to describe the whole country. Pura vida. It goes beyond the words. It's a way of life. Be nice to people, preserve what's good, and get rid of what isn't good. You know, travel always made us feel human, and again, Costa Rica showed us how to improve ourselves mentally and physically. Even though the country represents 0.01% of our planet's dimensions, it's host to over 5% of the world's biodiversity and 25% of its land is protected. And it's always fun to know that almost everywhere you go, you are not being harmful towards nature. Through the most beautiful sunsets we've ever seen, peace can be found into the adventures that this paradise has to offer. What's also nice about this place is that it's under the Blue Flag Ecology program, which means that the Costa Rican beaches are evaluated on a strict criterion, allowing tourists and residents to enjoy the stunning beaches without fear of contamination. During our month over there, we got to do just a small part of what it has to offer, but we can't wait to go back to keep exploring and creating. Those are the adventures we live for.
Hey bud, how are you, man? It's been a while. Just wanted to tell you that we're having a blast out here and you'd love it here. There's something about this place that makes us feel so alive. That's pretty much it. Call me back when you have the chance. We gotta get on the boat now. Talk soon, brother.
Costa Rica means coast rich in nature, rich in biodiversity, and rich in beauty. But for us, it's rich in memories.